won't show it, but there's a beautiful little pond or a lake out there. Ooh, and look at what I see through the woods, guys. There's the locomotives. Let's see if we can get closer to that pond or lake. It looks like a lake. It's huge. Alright, so it looks like you go down to the right there, and that will take you to those cars. Wow, this is absolutely, to date, the coolest thing I've ever done. It was on my bucket list, and I just had to do it. I had 2 days off, just 2 days, a Monday and a Tuesday. Nothing special, and I made it happen. I came home from work on Sunday at about, well, actually I worked late on Sunday, so I came home later, about 3:34, and I just packed. You know, I got everything packed that I really could, and left as soon as I could in the morning. Got here about, it really actually took me probably until 11, if I'm being honest, to get here. But I set up camp, had everything ready, and was eating dinner at 4 at my campsite. It was just perfect. And obviously, woke up this morning and came here. And nobody's here, so it's absolutely beautiful. Let's see if I can get you up a little higher. What a nice spot. Okay, let's go check out those cars. Rail cars, that is. And these trailers that have these, I don't know what they held, but there's like wooden frames on the trailers. So before boxcars, you know, before big trucks came along, that was the tractor trailer, right? That was the tractor trailer truck in the old days. I wonder what it was hauling. It only had these wood sides on it. And all these cars, they're all along the whole, you go all down here and there's tons of them, one after another. And they're all wooden sides, so just wonder, what was it that they actually carried? Canadian Pacific. Alright, let's get down here. Oh, goodness gracious me, oh my. Wow. Ooh, guys, this is so cool. Look at them. That's awesome. I'll take you up closer. I'm not going to do too much around here because I really want to take some really nice pictures, so I'm going to stop the video really quickly. I just want to show you guys around in all fairness. And then I will get myself some really nice pictures. Wow. Too cool, huh, guys? Oh, that's cool. They're called Lombard tractors. At the Leonard's Mills, they have a Lombard. It's a steam Lombard. Yeah, it was wood. Wow. That's so cool. And here they sit. Can you imagine the stories those wheels have to say? Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. Wow. That's awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to take some pictures. This is too cool. Thanks for joining me.